A very good evening. This is Abigail bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The Salesians arrived in the capital of the Sacred Valley of the Incas Calca in 1997. The care for young people who had no opportunity to continue their studies has led to the birth of a house which today benefits the entire population. It is a place of rest for agricultural workers, forms catechists for communities, prepares the sacraments for minors and adolescents, animates a youth center on Saturdays. In these times of pandemic, it has also become an oasis of safety for minors who lack resources, where they receive online information that allow them to continue their educational processes. As part of the proposal COVID-19, Reinventing Schools Among Everyone, the first online roundtable promoted by the Spain St. James the Greater SSM province was held on Thursday, 22nd October. It aimed at exchanging impressions and proposals to draw positive lessons from everything that is happening in the world of education due to the pandemic. Almost 300 people attended live, including parents, students, and teachers. It was indeed a long-awaited nomination. The announcement of Bishop Roberto Bergamaschi, SDB, as the new Bishop of Gambela Vicariate, a vicariate that became vacant due to the long absence of Bishop Angelo Moreschi, SDB, who had been in Italy for his medical treatment and passed away a few months ago, succumbing to COVID-19. Last Thursday, 29th October, the online meeting of the Governing Council of the Salesian Institutions of Higher Education (IUS) was held with the participation of the various continental and regional coordinators. Dr. Mario Olmos, SDB, and Father Jose Marinoni, IUS of the Americas, Father Diodoni Otekpo, IUS of Africa, Dr. Andrew Moreno, IUS of Europe, and Father Alex Garces, IUS of East Asia and Oceania. "60 boys are receiving education and shelter and having their basic needs met at Don Bosco, Murankan, located in Mannar, Sri Lanka, thanks to donor funding receiving from Salesian Missions, the U.S. development arms of the Salesian of Don Bosco. This helps keep the boys safe during the coronavirus pandemic. Many of the students are orphans or only have one parent, usually their mother, and are unable to pay their expenses at Don Bosco, Murankan. The funding ensures that they are able to continue to receive their education in a safe and supportive environment while being fed nutritious meals to address the undernourishment many have suffered. Following the security protocols established by the national government after 7 months of closure due to the pandemic, on Sunday 25th October, with the celebration of Mass, the Mary Help of Christians Temple of the Don Bosco Technical Institute reopened its doors to the faithful. The Eucharist was presided over by Father Alex Figueroa Ruiz and concelebrated by Father Francisco Rodriguez and Father Edward de la O. Before the reopening, the temple was subjected to rigorous cleaning and disinfection to ensure the health safety of the participants, with a group of collaborators having been trained on the protocols to follow. 80 people can now participate in the Mass, and upon entry their temperature is measured, hand gel is provided and footwear is disinfected. Taking place on 29th October on the occasion of the celebration of the feast day of Blessed Michael Rua in the Salesian Novitiate Blessed Artemide Zate was the ceremony of handing over the crosses and constitutions of the Salesians of Don Bosco to 24 novices of the Central Africa Province AFC. The Mass was presided over by Father Donation Banze, provincial vicar and delegate for formation. On 31st October, the young people from the formation groups of the Salesian Oratory San Domenico Savio in Gela and the Young Families group gave life to a vigil on youth holiness. The theme of the vigil was Dream Holy Dreams, to remind us that dreams and holiness must be travel companions in the life of young person. Father Alberto Anzalond, delegate for youth ministry of the province of Sicily and Tunisia ISI, presided over the vigil. It was animated by the same young people who with live music made this moment of grace special. Also present was Father Dario Spinella, Vacation and Mission Animator. There were 3 central moments of the vigil, alternating with texts and songs on the life of Blessed Carto Acutis, the presentation of the life of the new Blessed, Eucharistic adoration, individual confessions. The event took place at Pala Don Bosco to be able to guarantee social distancing. The online meeting of the provincials of the South Cone America region took place from 25th to 28 October with the Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artime, who after a short greeting shared his confident gaze on the present and on the future of the Salesian congregation and presented the programmatic guidelines for the 6-year term. Also present online were the general councillors with the members of their teams for formation, youth ministry, social communication and missions, and the councillor for the America South Cone region, Father Gabriel Romero. It was an important space for discussion between the provincials and the councillors in view of the current term. They also spoke with the team of the ongoing Formation Center in Quito with the representatives of the Salesian School in America and other institutions. The meeting then continued with reflections on the Formation Center of the Salesian Brother of Guatemala. A spiritual song composed by Abba Tesfaye Matheos SDB and music given by the youth of the Salesian parish of Mekanissa, Addis Ababa, recorded at Bosco Record Studio. Mekanissa and sung by Chiramlak Berhe, a choir member of the same parish, was released on Saturday last. The song speaks about the unconditional love of God the Father that has been shown to the sinful humanity. It is indeed a spiritual treat during this time of the pandemic and an invitation to the whole humanity to the loving embrace of the Heavenly Father.
ዘመን ቆጥሮ አለቀ ካለኝ ስራዬ ካለሁበት አይተኸኛል አምላክ ብለኸኝ ዘመን አየሁ መተህልኛል ልትፈውስ የኔን ህመም ተመልሻለሁ ከክፍ ወዳጅ ጌታ ኢየሱሴ በጸና ወገብ ልቆማ ብርታ ልቤን መንፈሴ ተመልሻለሁ ከክፍ ወዳጅ ጌታ ኢየሱሴ በጸና ወገብ ልቆማ ብርታ ልቤን መንፈሴ የፍቅር ባለዕዳ ወዳጄ ኃይልን በምትሰጠኝ ሁሉን እችላለሁ ባንተ ተማምኜ የፍቅር ባለዕዳ ነኝ ወዳጄ ኃይልን በምትሰጠኝ ሁሉን እችላለሁ ባንተ ተማምኜ ሳሳለኝ በቃት ስለሌለኝ ብታስብልኝ ካሰብኩት በልጦ ነገር ያማረልኝ ከፀሐይ በታች አዲስ ለሌለው ለመድኩት ዓለም አያምርብኝ አያገኝም ብጥር ብለፋም ጉቴ ሚዛን አይደፋም መስሎኝ ሸሸው ሩቅ መንደር ሚያስታውስ በሌለበት እግሬ ቢርቅ ልቤ ነጉዶ አባት አለኝ ሚሻኝ ወዶ መስሎኝ ሸሸው ሩቅ መንደር የሚያስታውስ በሌለበት እግሬ ቢርቅ ልቤ ነጉዶ አባት አለኝ ሚሻኝ ወዶ ፍቅር ማለዳ ወዳጄ በምትሰጠኝ ሁሉን እችላለሁ ባንተ ተማምኜ የፍቅር ባለዳ ወዳጄ በምትሰጠኝ ሁሉን እችላለሁ ባንተ ተማምኜ እኔ ወድሃለሁ ራሴን ሰጥሃለሁ እገዛልሃለሁ ወድሃለሁ እኔ ወድሃለሁ ራሴን ሰጥሃለሁ እገዛልሃለሁ ወድሃለሁ እኔ ወድሃለሁ ራሴን ሰጥሃለሁ እገዛልሃለሁ የልቤ ብርሃን የመንገዴ መሪ የነፍሴ መጽናኛ ደጉን አስተማሪ መጽናኛ ብርታቴ የምጀግንብህ የመኖሬ ፋይዳ ህልውናዬ ነህ
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for joining us.